So, you think Earth is big? A solid planet with mountains, oceans, an atmosphere, and over 8 billion people living on it. But, are you ready? Because what you're about to see might just blow your mind. Compared to the universe out there, Earth is barely a speck of dust floating in the wind. Earth's diameter is about 12,700 kilometers. That's quite a bit bigger than Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system. We're about 3 times larger. But now, put us next to Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, and suddenly, Earth looks tiny. Jupiter's diameter is 11 times larger, and it could hold over 1,300 Earths inside it. If Earth were a tennis ball, Jupiter would be a hot air balloon floating right above it. But this is just the beginning. Now look up, the Sun, our star, not even the biggest one out there, but still powerful enough to warm our entire planet. So how many Earths could fit inside the Sun? More than 1 million. Yes, 1 million Earths. The Sun's diameter is over 100 times Earth's. If Earth were a pea, the Sun would be a flaming beach ball the size of a football stadium. But when we zoom out even further, the Sun becomes small too. Meet Betelgeuse, a red supergiant. If it replaced our Sun, its surface would stretch all the way to Mars. And then, there's Scuti, one of the largest stars ever discovered. Its diameter? Over 1,700 times that of the Sun.
Lately in the left shoulder of Orion, specifically the bright red giant star known as Betelgeuse. In late 2019, Betelgeuse, which is normally one of the brightest stars in the sky, dimmed quite a bit. Since this massive star is known to be of the type that eventually ends its life in a supernova explosion, many folks have wondered if the recent dimming is a warning that Betelgeuse is about to blow. Well, astronomers say, don't hold your breath. Although it could explode tomorrow, astronomers think it's more likely to happen on a longer timeline, probably more like 100,000 years from now, and it's unlikely to signal its demise in advance. Fortunately, Betelgeuse is far enough away that when it does go supernova, we won't experience any negative effects from it like radiation, but it will be quite brilliant in the skies for weeks.
If Earth were a grain of sand, Scuti would be a skyscraper towering into space. At this point, Earth basically disappears from the chart. We live on a tiny planet, orbiting a fairly average star, tucked away in the corner of a spiral galaxy. And yet, in all this vast, unfathomable universe, Earth is the only known place where life exists. And that, right there, is what makes it so incredibly precious. If the universe amazes you, hit follow and join the journey. Because trust me, there's still so much more to explore.